The Chicano movement. Have students write down 3 actions they would take if they felt like their education was being biased towards them. Teach students the COG skills. Get into groups of 4 and go over the 3 actions the 4 of you are meant to write down, and then figure out who had which response the same as another and tally count how many thought of the same thing. Sentence starters are the point of view / purpose of this source is. The point of view is shown in the source by the quotes. This point of view might be similar / different to others because the limitations and or biases in this source include what historical context and causes set the stage for the Chicano movement. Use this source to answer these questions. What took place during the Chicano movement? Use this source to answer the questions. And how does Chicano continue to fight for social change today? And use this primary source also. For the assessment, you're going to answer the following in complete sentences using these sentence starters.